What makes ray attachments last? The secret is in the process. It all starts with the raw material, HARDOX 450 wear steel, chosen for strength and toughness. Every plate is cut with precision, every shape, every curve machined to spec. Our machining centers handle the fine work. Concentric-shaft machining holds overall tolerance under 0.1 millimeters. The result, a grappling precise enough to grip even a sheet of A4 paper. Then comes the welding, precise beads, controlled heating strength where it counts. Surface treatment preps every part for the field before it ever leaves the factory. In a housing parts, curved claws and castings, made and stocked by us. Every single component is inspected before it goes into assembly and out on the job. You see what it all adds up to. Crushing concrete, load after load, day after day, step-by-step, process by process. That's how ray durability is built. More than durable, that's ray.